So yeah, tell me about your bike.
Yeah, this is your boy Young Dog here from the Pro BMX crew. So yeah, I'm just gonna tell you about this bike, about the Avalanche bikes. People gotta get different type of Avalanche bikes what we are selling and stuff what is on the streets also now, different Avalanche bikes. So most of our bikes what we're supplying is mostly street bikes, street freestyle bikes what we got. So you can see like I got the 68 spoke rims here, I got the 14-ton cork, I got the chrome pegs, I got the nice crank flying wheel setup, I got the original Avalanche seat. Yeah, you see I got a small handlebar on because that's what we're doing. We're doing freestyle styles on the bike, so that's why we have the small handlebars on, and we got the thinner tires on because there's more speed on the road also. So that's what we're rocking with. So if you check us out, check out the page out there, the Pro BMX page on YouTube. Check out the channel, man, and follow us, the Street BMX crew.